Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Yashingu and this is my video submission for BridgeIntelia Science Fair 2021. My project's purpose is to control volume of my computer using hand gestures. It will use MediaPipe, OpenCV and PyCar as the libraries needed. I am using PyCharm as the IDE and Python as the coding language. There is a main folder named hand tracking in which there are three subfolders: hand tracking minimum, hand tracking module, and volume control.py. The hand tracking minimum is the bare minimum code to accomplish the goal of hand detection with computer vision. As you can see, it detects 20 different points on my hand, which will later help in volume control. This file uses OpenCV and MediaPipe as their libraries to accomplish our goal. The second file is the hand tracking module. This is created from the hand tracking minimum, and this file makes easier to write the next code, which is volume control.py, and we can use it as a module. As you can see here, import hand tracking module as HTML. We can also run this and this will take us to the next step of our hand detection. This is volume control.py. This uses PyCar to control the audio with OpenCV, NumPy, the hand tracking module we saw before, and MediaPipe in the hand tracking module. Sorry, run volume control. So as you can see, it is drawing a line between the two the thumb and my index finger, and the middle point determines the distance between the both. As you can see, the middle point turns green when I close my fingers, which also can act as a button for future any projects. The sidebar indicates the volume also on the viewfinder. As you can see, my volume is constantly uh, uh, increasing and decreasing as I move and pinch and unpinch my finger. This was this is my main project which I submit for BridgeIntelia Science Fair 2021. All the files are in description, and do read the readme file very carefully to make this code run. Thank you.